Hello all, welcome back to channel. So till now we have learned the symbols. Today's symbol we will discuss on single ampersand, double ampersand and double pipe symbol. Okay. So if we want to run any process like ls hyphen l, if I put this symbol at the end, it will go in a background. This we have already discussed in our previous video. Again I'll show you. So it's saying 3455, 3445. Okay, this is a process. It's in background. So we'll do bg. Okay, there's no such file. Foreground, no such file because this process got completed. Okay, so we'll put top ampersand. So 3446 process id we got. Okay, it's got stop bg. It will not. Okay, it's showing background process fg. It will not showing. Okay, so fg and where's the process id? 3446, 3446. So background process also completed because once you interrupt the top command, it will get interrupted. So this we have already discussed how to bring a process in a background and foreground. Okay, but what's the symbol? What's the use of this double ampersand? So this is like, let me show you ls double ampersand pwd. So what it did? First it has executed ls and then pwd. So now we'll say we can achieve this using pipe symbol also. But what pipe is doing is taking input from this command and showing output like here. And we can do with this also. But why we are using this? If we are running a if condition, so it's as AND. This is using by AND. Okay. So run cat slash etc cat slash root test and ls. Okay, so this is the AND condition. First slash root test content got appended here, then ls command got executed. This is the AND symbol and this is OR. So how OR will work? Cat. Okay, we'll take this thing and replace with this OR. So either this command should work this or this. So first command got executed, then it's showing okay only first command, because if first got executed, second will not get executed. Now I make an error in the first command. So first command got fail, then only second command got executed. So this is OR. So what we are having, this is AND and this is OR. Okay, remember this thing in a shell scripting is very much useful. So I will do ls or ls hyphen l. So ls got executed, but I will make some error here, ls a. So ls is not a file, first command got fail. So if first fail, so second will get executed. So there is a dependency. Okay, either this will run or either that will run. This or this. And if you put ls and ls hyphen l, both will get executed because and is this and this both should get executed. If or symbol is there, this or that will get executed. So hope you are understand difference between or and. Okay, this is clear. So these are the two options, and or symbols. So what we are having for and we are having this, and for or we are having pipe symbol. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. We'll learn more about the symbols in upcoming videos. Till then, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.